In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to avoid being tagged on a Facebook post. So let's move on. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Facebook topic. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let me quickly walk you through the simple settings that avoid you from being tagged to unnecessary posts on Facebook. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Facebook account. Then having opened your Facebook account, next thing you need to do is to click on this 3 slider. Then you have to simply scroll down and look for settings and privacy. Then right here, click on settings. So at this point here, this is where you need to click review tags people to add to your post before the tag appear on your Facebook. So simply click on here. So next thing you need to do is to simply turn on this. It's as simple as that. So whoever tag you on a post, Facebook need to notify you before the post can be approved and eventually post to your Facebook. If you don't want the post to be appear on your Facebook timeline, you simply decline the post from the Facebook notification. It's as simple as that. So this is how to block or how to avoid people being tagging you to unnecessary posts on Facebook. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Facebook tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.